In this video, we are going to see Rotronic DT722 Humidity and Temperature Transmitter Device Overview and Technical Datas. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. Device Overview. The DT722 is a rugged industrial relative humidity and temperature transmitter designed for process applications where accurate, stable measurement and control of humidity and temperature is required. Sensors measure relative humidity, temperature, and dew point. Designed for accurate measurement in a harsh environment. Applications: HVAC applications, food and pharmaceutical industries, printing and paper industries, meteorology, agriculture and archaeology sectors, humidity and temperature measurement in cheese production, controlled atmosphere monitoring, coating process optimization and more. Mechanical specifications: housing material is stainless steel, ingress protection is IP65, NEMA rating is NEMA 4, weight depends on the length of the sensor probe, dimension, width 80 mm, depth 38 mm, the probe length varies depending on the sensor probe model. The sensor device has 4 5.5 mm holes to install the sensor. Electrical specifications: supply voltage is 8 to 32 volt DC. Supply voltage influence is a ± 0.01% RH. Electrical connections are 5-pin, M12 connector. Output signal type is 4 to 20 mA. Electrical connections: pin 1 is the sensor power supply, 8 to 32 volt DC, and the cable is brown. Pin 2 is the output 2, for 4 to 20 mA temperature signal, and the cable is white. Pin 3 is not connected, for calibration only, and the cable is blue. Pin 4 is the output 1, for 4 to 20 mA humidity signal, and the cable is black. Pin 5 is not connected, for calibration only. Both RH and temperature need to be connected in order for the temperature output to work. Note: even though the DT722 has a 5-pin connector, the standard connection cable only has 4 pins or wires. However, only 3 pins, 1, 2 and 4, are needed to connect the DT722. Product code identification. The first 2 letters and 3 digits denote a base unit, which includes relative humidity and temperature. The next 2 letters denote the display choice, if SX means no display option. The next letter denotes the moisture output signal and range, if A means calculated absolute humidity. The next 1 letter and 1 digit denotes the temperature output signal and range, if T0 means 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. The next 2 digit denotes the probe length, if 03 means 300 mm probe. The next 2 letter denotes the cable type and length, if C means no cable. The next 1 letter and 2 digit denotes the filter type and size, if F02 means 19 mm slotted protection cap black. Measurement specifications: humidity. Measurement range for RH is 0 to 100% RH. Accuracy is less than a ±2% RH. Stability is a ±1% RH per year. Response time is less than 10 seconds typical. Operating humidity for probe, housing and storage is 10 to 95% RH. Non-condensing. Temperatures. Measurement range for temperature is -40 to 150 degrees Celsius. Accuracy is a ±0.2 degrees Celsius typical. Operating temperatures for a probe is -40 to 150 degrees Celsius. For housing is -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. For storage is -30 to 75 degrees Celsius. Compatibility. DT722 transmitters are not compatible with Rotronic HC2A probes. The only compatible accessories and spare parts like filters, protection caps, mounting clips etc. In case of insecurity, please contact your local Rotronic partner. Calibration process. The probes are adjusted in the factory before delivery. Depending on the application, A calibration. After 1 year of use, calibration and adjustment services. You can perform this yourself using the Rotronic SCS humidity standards and software, or using humidity generators. Further information regarding calibration and adjustment can be obtained at processcenting.com or rotronic.com, by scanning the QR code or by contacting us or one of our representatives. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.